Hello, hello, hello. Ah, that was a big puddle that I just stepped in. I should have threw my muck boots on. Everything is nice and wet. There's a worm in here. One. I hear you, babies. I hear you, babies. Hi, Bailey girl. There's Grover. He's so dark I couldn't see him. Hey, Deborah, how are you? No, don't. You'll get walked in here. You stay out. What is this? I'm not sure what it is. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, I don't know where Oscar went. It is dark outside, and I forgot. I know, babies. Ah! I feel your hoof on my high knee. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Ouch! Ouch! You're goons. You're a bunch of goons. Watch out. That was terrible. They're so dirty. Okay, let's go get the other one. Oh. I'm doing alright. It's a little chilly out. Bobby, did you slip? Everyone's munching. I'm waiting for Nate to walk back with the water and scare me. Now, why? Who does that? Silly chickens. Silly chickens. Alright, these eggs are in my pocket. Hopefully I don't forget about them. Chicken poop. Ah, it's so wet. Any eggs on this side? No. Nate is bringing water, so I'm gonna dump that out of here. Hey, Missy, how are you? Oh. Hi, Ash. Just trying to get everything moved for you. It was nice earlier, Deborah, and the sun was out. I mean, it was still like chilly, but not too bad. Okay. Hey, Lila, how are you? Ooh, I did not wear those proper shoes. What shoes do you have on?
My boots? Why?
Can you walk through that to close that? I did not wear the right shoes.
I knew exactly what it was.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think about it. I should have just put my muck boots on. Thank you. I had good intentions. I got 2 eggs, one was in the feeder, one was on the ground. Chickens are ready for bed. Tell me what you're doing, I could help. So if you tell me what you're doing, I could help. The chickens stay in there. Might have snow on Wednesday, Lila. That's crazy. Oh, another scooper now. Hey, Danielle. The goats are doing great. I went through the kids' toys today while Kenzie was napping and Emma wasn't home. So I didn't come out here to spend time with them this afternoon like I had wanted to. Yeah, the weather is so all over the place. You guys can't really see. I'm just looking at the thing. Hey, Melissa. Got it? Alright, we'll go back to the goaties. Back to the goats. It's stinky in there. Still munching down. Done. I'm ready for the warm weather and for it to like permanently stay. Oh, you guys were zoomed in. Sorry about that. I haven't turned our furnace off yet. Not yet, because it still gets chilly. I did think about it today. I did turn it down today, though. I don't know what I think it's supposed to be nice here tomorrow. I just wanted to jump on quick and show the goaties and stuff and all that. I already got the eggs out of there. Is that what you're looking for? Yeah, there was one on the bottom part, and then there was one over there in the mud. Because we're gonna go hit the hay. Oh, did I miss one? Is that an egg? Why are they laying on the ground now? Ugh, these Easter eggers. Maybe I need to put nesting boxes out here. Just kidding. Where am I? These guys acting like they don't have hay to eat all the time. Did that hay get wet at all, honey, when it was raining? I didn't think so. It wasn't wet when I checked it. I don't think it did, which is good, since we didn't have the sides on. Artie, you be nice. Do you guys see how much Cowboy and River's grown? River's got a belly on him. Don't you, buddy? See, you've got a belly on you. Oh, get it up. Chew it again. Swallow. Repeat. Huh. Say chew, swallow, repeat. Good boy. I know, buddy. You need attention, too. Artie, you be nice. I need to watch bending over because I have these eggs in my pocket. Goofballs. Hey, please stop eating my hair. Please don't eat my hair. What are you doing, River? I don't want to blind you guys. You my buddy. You're my little hi cowboy. Hi cowboy. Juliet, what are you doing? My gravy girl. Hi Bailey. River's here. Alright, I'm gonna get up before you guys start jumping on me and break these eggs. But I'm gonna get off, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to jump on and show you the goats since I was not out earlier. Hopefully they go to bed now. Good night, Poppy. Good night, sweetheart. I'm gonna take you guys with me to get back to the house because I don't want to turn it off and try to find my way back without the light. So, alright, that's fine. Maybe I cannot step in that big mud puddle again. I hope you guys all had a great St. Patrick's Day. We went and had dinner at my parents' house. My sister made corned beef and cabbage. It was the 4th time that I've had it since this past Wednesday. So I've been trying to catch up on some stuff inside and spend more time with the girls and stuff like that. So I haven't been doing that many lives. So, do you need help? Look like you're on a mission. So I haven't been doing that many lives, and I'm hoping as we are doing more outside and stuff. Oh, Danielle, see, I must spend the night at my parents' house, so the leprechaun didn't do anything here. Last year the leprechaun died of toilet water. So, we saw some pick up dog food and cat food today. So Nate's bringing that in. We're gonna feed the puppies and the kitty cats, and then we go to bed. So, you all have a good night. Bye.